people hear Erasmus Plus, they usually think of student exchange and international cooperations. For IHSM, however, Erasmus Plus has meant much more. Through our participation in Erasmus Plus project, we have gained valuable experience, strengthened international partnerships, implemented educational and research initiatives, and created new opportunities for both our students and the faculty members. That is why the impact of this cooperation remains visible today.
The story began with a tutorial project. It laid the foundation for the development of environmental and occupational health and supported the first step toward doctoral education at IHSM. The next milestone was DERECA, which united universities across Kyrgyzstan to modernize doctoral education and prepare a new generation of researchers and academic supervisors. Harmony brought public health education closer to European standards while strengthening academic cooperation between Central Asia and Europe. DEFA introduced modern approaches to financial management, transparency, and suitable university governance, helping build stronger institutional capacity. Bernica established innovative digital laboratories for nutrition and dietetics, creating new opportunities for education and research across Central Asia. Green KG continues to progress by supporting universities in implementing suitable practices and promoting environmentally responsible development. Today, IHSM is leading the next stage of transformation. As the coordinator of the D-Tide KG project, the university is driving the digital transformation of doctoral education across Kyrgyzstan, bringing together 12 higher education institutions in a shared vision for the future.
What is interesting about this project is that they were never separate stories. Each project brought new experiences, new partnerships, and a new development of our institution. Many initiatives that started in one project continued and evolved in the next. As a result, over the years, we have built sustainable partnerships, trained specialists, and implemented initiatives that continue to make an impact today.
Behind every project are people. Students discovering new opportunities to learn and grow. Faculty members embracing innovative teaching methods. Researchers joining the international academic community and building collaborations that extend far beyond national borders.
Over the past decade, Erasmus Plus has helped IHSM become stronger, more innovative, and more connected to the global academic community. Together, we have achieved a great deal, and there is still much more ahead. A new chapter of this journey is already beginning.
The true impact of Erasmus Plus is measured not by the number of projects completed, but by the lives transformed, the knowledge shared, and the opportunities created for future generations. From Kyrgyzstan to the international academic community. From ideas to meaningful change. From partnership to transformation. Together, we continue shaping the future of medical education.